Dog, if you show up to the airport with just a carry-on and you think that you're just going to carry it on and you're going to be the fastest motherfucker at the airport, you're not. Okay, you're actually going to slow everybody down because guess what? When you get on the plane, you got to stop and put it up on the overhead. When you get off the plane, you got to stop and take it on over the overhead. And then when you get on the plane, they're like, oh, our shit's full because everybody thinks they're going to be fast, so they bring a carry-on. So they're like, our shit's full, you have to check it. You're going to have to check it anyway. So you're slowing yourself down going to baggage claim anyway. So I don't understand everybody's like, carry-ons. People who only bring carry-ons and swear by carry-ons because I want to get to my thing quick, I just want to get straight off the plane. Those are the same motherfuckers who back into parking spots thinking it saves them time, when it literally does not. And it ruins everybody else's day. Like, you get stuck behind a carry-on person getting all their shit from the top of the plane. It's like getting stuck behind somebody who pulls up to a spot, you're behind them, and they're like, all right, I'm going to do this, and back in. Dude, awareness, man. Have some awareness. Carry-ons don't actually make it faster. People are assholes. People don't care about each other. People only care about themselves. So add a carry-on to that. I mean, do you think they're going to care that they're wasting your time getting their shit on the plane and off the plane? Hell no. So, yeah. Do a bag. Check a bag. I ain't never lost a bag. I do fly good airlines, Delta and American. So if you fly United, maybe for your own peace of mind, you should do carry-ons. But I've never lost a bag, so go ahead. Check your bag. It'll be okay. You'll get to your destination at the same time as everybody else. I know it's annoying. I know it sounds like, oh, they're gonna lose my bag. Oh, I won't get off the plane quick enough. Oh, I just want to have my stuff. How many times, I guarantee you, if you bring a carry-on because you want to have your stuff, you're not going to get it out once during the flight. You're not going to get one thing out. You know how much of a pain in the ass it is to get out from a window seat when there's two other people next to you? No, you don't, because you don't travel enough because you think carrying on is smarter. I travel a lot. I know these things. I see them happen. I see the patterns. That's what I talk about here. I talk about patterns and things that happen in the airports and how to not have anxiety when you go to the airport and how to notice these patterns because it makes you feel a lot more comfortable doing these things and doing the things to make it easier, like checking a bag, okay? Stuff like that. That's what I do on this channel. So if you need that, subscribe. If you don't, just let me sit here at 6 subscribers. I don't care. This is fun for me, so whatever. See ya.